or visions, which is sometimes called clairvoyancy. So this thing has a lot to do with your senses and you being able to tap into your senses, Patreon family. So you have three brains. You have your gut, your heart, and your brain, right? Or we can say your pineal gland, really. Well, that pineal gland is a spiritual tool and a spiritual technology that actually aligns you with the three other brains, which is your gut, your heart, and your brain. So your pineal, pituitary, and hypothalamus gland, the three wise men, right, is actually giving you the clues through these glands, right, of what these three brains are trying to show you, right? So if you don't know, your gut is basically like that feeling. Sometimes you feel it in your gut, worry, anxiety, right? They call it yellow belly, fear, right? Sometimes you could, you can feel confident and assured. So, you stick your gut out or whatever, right? Your heart is your emotional intelligence. Y'all know how we get out with the heart, that moves you, right? You can feel people from like, damn, this don't feel right. Or, when people break up with people, they feel that heartache and stuff like that. And then your brain is basically the thinking apparatus, right? Make you make logical, rational decisions. But your pineal, pituitary, and hypothalamus gland, the third eye, is the real key into you seeing past the veil, seeing past the matrix, and you're seeing things into a feeling apparatus, right? Instead of you thinking logically, right? You just feel it, right? And you can sense it through these symbols. So all of a sudden you see these symbols in your waking life, right? And you're like, oh, that's just a coincidence. No, that's your pineal showing you some light.